Hi everyone, today we are talking about the habits of successful salespeople. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these 5 habits can help you increase your sales and reach your goals. Habit 1. Preparation. The first habit is preparation. Top salespeople take the time to research their clients and understand their needs before meeting with them. This allows them to tailor their approach and have a more productive conversation. Habit 2. Active listening. The second habit is active listening. Salespeople who listen more and talk less are more likely to understand the customer's needs and close the sale. By truly understanding what the customer wants, salespeople can offer a solution that meets their needs. Habit 3. Positive attitude. The third habit is a positive attitude. A positive attitude can help salespeople overcome obstacles and stay motivated, even in tough situations. They believe in themselves and their product, and this confidence can be contagious. Habit 4. Networking. The fourth habit is networking. Successful salespeople know that building relationships is key to success. They attend industry events, follow up with clients, and make connections with potential customers. This helps them build a strong network and increase their visibility. Habit 5. Continuous learning. The fifth and final habit is continuous learning. Sales is an ever-evolving industry, and top salespeople know that they must keep learning and improving to stay ahead of the competition. They attend training and workshops, read industry publications, and stay up to date on new technologies and techniques. So there you have it, 5 successful habits of top salespeople. By incorporating these habits into your routine, you can increase your sales and achieve your goals. Remember, success takes time and effort, but with hard work and dedication, you can become a top salesperson. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content.